Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Rindiani from class 4B English Education Islamic University Sultan Saifuddin Jambi. Today I will presentation the article. The title is The Analysis of Skimming and Scanning to Improve Student in Teaching Reading Comprehension. The objective of this presentation is to find out the effectiveness of skimming and scanning strategy in improving student reading comprehension. I've divided my presentation into 6 parts. Firstly, definition of reading. Secondly, definition of reading comprehension. Thirdly, definition of skimming and scanning. Then, the advantage of skimming and scanning. Next, skimming and scanning technique teaching, and finally conclusion. The presentation will take about 7 minutes. I'd be glad to take any question at the end of my presentation. Okay, let's start with the first point, which is definition of reading. Reading is a language skill that is very important for students to learn because reading can help students get a lot of information. Secondly, definition of reading comprehension. Reading comprehension is the student ability to understand information from a reading or subject being read. Thirdly, definition of skimming and scanning. Skimming is a technique of teaching quickly to find important things or to become the main idea in a reading. Scanning. Scanning is a technique of reading quickly to obtain information without reading other type of reading. Usually, scanning is used to look up for number, word in dictionary, and statistical number. Then, the advantage of skimming and scanning. Firstly, skimming. The first, skimming can help the student go through the reading material quickly in order to get gist of the text. The second, scanning helps the student to know the text is organized. And finally, scanning can help the student to get an idea of the tone of the intonation of the right. It means that by reading using skimming, the student can make reading material easier and student to know how the text is organized, and the student can improving an idea of the tone or the intonation of the right. Secondly, scanning. The first, scanning helps the student only try to locate specific information. The second, scanning helps the student to follow the linearity of the passage. The third, scanning helps the student to use the time efficiently based on the statement above. Reading using scanning can help the student to get information from the books, and the student can use the time efficiently. Next, skimming and scanning technique teaching. Skimming. Firstly, find a definition. Usually, it is often given special marks such as italic. Secondly, locate it of the cases. It doesn't have to find number series of items if you don't know what label go with the series. Thirdly, look for the relationship between title and subtitle, such as relationships are often key paragraph. And finally, look for emphasis word and main idea. Look for point mark with the emphasis word and main idea in what appears to be the key paragraph. Scanning. Firstly, it is important to know your text well. Make prediction about which part of a chapter to find word, fact, and date. Secondly, notice how the information is organized on a page. Find out is the information arranged alphabetically or numerically. And finally, moving the eyes. Moving your eyes vertical or diagonal down the page, let your eyes move quickly from side to side and attention to the type of information you want. Finally, conclusion. Reading is important activity in life which one can update the knowledge, or reading is not only a source of information and a pleasurable activity but also as a means of consolidating and extending one knowledge of the language. The skill of reading is developed in societies with literacy tests and rich vocabulary. That's all my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.